In this video, I'll show you how to create a circular picture-in-picture effect in DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure the clip you want to crop is placed above your main video on the timeline. This top clip will be the one displayed inside the circular frame. Next, open the Effects panel by clicking the Effects button in the top left corner of the Edit page. In the search bar, type DVE. Then drag and drop the DVE effect onto your top clip. With the clip selected, go to the inspector on the right side of the screen. You'll now see a new DVE section appear. Open the Border tab to access more controls. To create the circular crop, adjust the crop width to define how much of the sides you want to remove. Then, increase the corner radius until the shape turns into a perfect circle. Once you've created your circular frame, you can use the Position X and Y sliders to move the smaller video wherever you like on screen, typically one of the corners. You can also adjust the zoom setting if you want to resize the circle. And that's it! You now have a clean, circular picture-in-picture effect inside DaVinci Resolve. Perfect for reaction videos, tutorials, or interviews.